friends, welcome back to our channel Know Everything. In this video, we are going to see countries and their national birds. First one, Albania golden eagle, Algeria Barbary partridge, Angola red-crested torraco, Anguilla Geneida dove, Antigua and Barbuda magnificent frigate bird, Argentina Rufus arnero, Aruba Shoko or browning owl and Prikichi or brown-throated parakeet. Australia emu. Australian Capital Territory வந்து Gang Kakato. New South Wales Laughing Kookaburra. Northern Territory Wedge-tailed eagle. Queensland Brolga. South Australia piping shrike or Australian magpie. Tasmania yellow wattle bird. Victoria helmeted honeyeater. Western Australia black swan. Next Austria barn swallow. Bahamas American flamingo. Bahrain white-eared bulbul. Bangladesh doyal or oriental magpie robin. Belarus white stork. Belgium Eurasian kestrel. Belize keel-billed toucan. Bermuda petrel. Bhutan common raven. Bolivia Andean condor. Botswana lilac-breasted roller and Cory bustard. Brazil Rufous bellied thrush. British Virgin Islands mourning dove. Cambodia giant ibis. Canada jay. We can see inside Canada each place what are the national animals. Alberta great horned owl. British Columbia Stellus jay. Manitoba great grey owl. New Brunswick black-capped chickadee. Newfoundland and Labrador Atlantic puffin. Northwest Territories Gray falcon. Nova Scotia osprey. Nunavut rock ptarmigan. Ontario common loon. Prince Edward Island blue jay. Quebec snowy owl. Saskatchewan sharp-tailed grouse. Yukon common raven. Cayman Islands Grand Cayman parrot. Chile Andean condor. China red-crowned crane. Colombia Andean condor. Costa Rica clay-colored thrush. Croatia nightingale. Cuba Cuban trogon. Denmark mute swan. Formerly the Eurasian skylark. Dominica Cicero parrot. Dominican Republic palm chart. Ecuador Andean condor. Egypt steppe eagle. El Salvador Turkish brown motmot. Estonia barn swallow. Eswatini purple crested torraco. Faroe Islands Eurasian oyster catcher. Finland whooper swan. France Gallic rooster. Germany eagle. Gibraltar Barbary partridge. Greece little owl. Grenada dove. Guatemala resplendent quetzal. Guyana Hodzin. Haiti Hispaniola trogon. Honduras scarlet macaw. Hungary Saker falcon. Iceland Gyr falcon and European golden plover. India Indian peafowl. Actually it's Indian peacock. Indonesia Javan auk eagle. Iran nightingale and Sahin falcon. Ireland, northern lapwing. Israel, Eurasian hoopoe. Italy, Italian sparrow. Jamaica, doctor bird. Japan, green peasant. Jordan, Sinai rose finch. Kenya, lilac-breasted roller. Latvia, white wagtail. Liberia, garden bulbul. Louisiana, white stork. Luxembourg, goldcrest. Malta, black-faced spoonbill. Malawi, African fish eagle. Malaysia, rhinoceros hornbill. Malta, blue rock thrush. Mexico, golden eagle or crested caracara. Moldova, eagle and white stork or black stork. Mongolia, saker falcon. Montserrat oriole. Myanmar, grey peacock peasant and grey peafowl. Namibia, African fish eagle, formerly the crimson-breasted shrike. Nepal, Himalayan monal. Netherlands, black-tailed godwit. New Zealand, kiwi. Nicaragua, Turkish brown motmot. Nigeria, black-crowned crane and eagle, probably martial eagle. North Korea, northern goshawk. Norway, white-throated dipper. Pakistan, chukar and Shaheen falcon. Plau fruit dove. Palestine sunbird. Panama, RP eagle. Papua New Guinea, Ragiana bird of paradise. Paraguay, bare-throated bellbird. Peru, Andean cock of the rock. Philippines, Philippine eagle, formerly the chestnut munia. Poland, white-tailed eagle and white stork. Puerto Rico, Puerto Rican spindalis. Qatar, falcon. Romania, golden eagle and great white pelican. Saint Helena, plover. Saint Kitts and Nevis, brown pelican. Saint Lucia, Amazon. Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, Saint Vincent, Amazon. Scotland, golden eagle. Serbia, eagle and griffon vulture. Singapore, crimson sunbird. South Africa, blue crane. South Korea, Korean magpie. South Sudan, African fish eagle. Sri Lanka, jungle fowl. Sudan, secretary bird. Sweden, common blackbird. Thailand, sesame fireback. Taiwan, blue magpie. Trinidad and Tobago, scarlet ibis and rufous-veinted chachalacha. Uganda, East African crowned crane. Ukraine, white stork and thrush nightingale or common nightingale. UAE, peregrine falcon. United Kingdom, European robin. Northern Ireland, Eurasian oyster catcher. Scotland, golden eagle. Wales, red kite. USA, bald eagle. Uruguay, southern lapwing. Venezuela, Venezuelan tropial. Wales, red kite. Zambia, African fish eagle. Zimbabwe, African fish eagle or battler eagle. Thank you.